President Aquino assures war veterans and their families that the government will continue for their welfare. The President gave the assurance in a speech during the commemoration of the Araw ng Kagitingan on Mount Samat in Bataan. The Chief Executive also took the occasion to pay tribute to the heroism and sacrifices of the Filipino veterans in their fight against the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. He likewise lauded the Philippine Marines on board the BRP Sierra Madre guarding the Ayungin Shoal. More from Elena Luna.
Sufficient care for veterans and their families, enough to match their devotion to the country. According to President Aquino, this is the goal of the government as the state continues to recognize the contributions of veterans in keeping the Filipino spirit alive. As he led the 72nd anniversary of the Day of Valor, the Chief Executive told the good news in the Pensioners Revalidation Program, where fake veterans are crossed out from the list of beneficiaries.
Dahil sa pagsisigurong tunay na kabilang sa listahan ang bawat pangalan ng ating surviving pensioners sa pagpasok ay tuluyan ng naipatigil ang pagbibigay benepisyo sa 22,534 na accounts, habang 14,616 na accounts naman ang nasuspinde. Ang resulta, naibalik ang pension remittances na nagkakahalaga ng 396.61 million pesos. At itong Marso, umabot na nga sa 133,784 na lehitimo mga veterano at kanilang mga asawa ang binibigyang serbisyo ng ating Philippine Veterans Affairs Office. Tinitiyak natin sa mga karapat dapat lamang mapupunta ang bawat pisong inilalaan natin mula sa kabanambayan.
By giving educational benefits to qualified dependents of veterans, more than 2,000 students are in school. On healthcare, the President said the doors to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center as well as other branches across the country remain open to veterans.
Para sa taong 2013, alam po, umabot sa 7 milyong piso ang halaga ng serbisyong medikal na nailaan para sa 1,072 mga veterano. Ang maganda pang balita, pinalawak pa ng VMMC ang kanilang benepisyo para sa inyo. Ngayon po, kabilang na sa listahang sagot ng gobyerno ang mga serbisyong tulad ng cataract operation, coronary angiogram at cardiac bypass.
The Philippine Veterans Affairs Office or PVAO says there are more than 178,000 pensioners in the country, 14,000 of which are veterans of World War II. The list includes Lolo Eugenio and Lola Elvira, who made it a point to attend the Day of Valor anniversary every year.
Naalala namin yung aming karanasan dito eh. Kaya lumabalik kami lagi. Taonan lang naman.
Ang mga kabataan ay dapat yung pagmamahal sa ating bansa. Ang mga kabataan ay magkaroon ng sakripisyo tulad ng mga ginawa ng unang panahon ng mga matatanda namin.
President Aquino remarked that as the government continues to care for veterans, the state also continues to ensure soldiers have the ability to fulfill their responsibilities. 36 billion pesos has been allotted for the AFP Modernization and Capability Upgrade Program for the procurement of modern vessels and equipment. He said this will be able to lighten the weight of responsibilities of soldiers, citing the sacrifice made by the Marines led by First Lieutenant Mike Pelotera, who were assigned in Ayungin Shoal.
Sa loob ng halos 5 buwan, ang kanilang mundo ay uminog lamang sa karagatan. Halos wala silang komunikasyon sa kanilang mga pamilya. May mga pagkakataon pang hinaharang ang pinapadala natin mga gamit at pagkain sa kanila. Araw-gabi, sakay na nakatirik na BRP Sierra Madre ay nakaangkla lamang ang kanilang dedikasyon sa pagtutok at pagbabantay ng ating teritoryo. Yan naman po, kasama na ating mga veterano, kabilang din na mga kawal na tulad nila sa makinikilala natin ngayon. Sa ang sambayan ng Pilipino sa inyo.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna, Mount Samat, Pilar, Bataan.